Good evening, everyone. My name is Gravy, and welcome to another weekly poem. Today, I am wondering about things. Imagine if you could turn into any kind of animal, what would it be? I think I would like to be a sloth, because sloths move very slow and they don't seem very worried about much. It must be nice to not be worried. Today's poem is called If Only by Richard Edwards. This poem is going to tell us what kind of animal Richard wants to become. If only. If I could be a grunting pig, I would, and with my snout I'd dig deep down into the muddy ground, and deeper still until I found a big potato, fat and sweet, and then I'd eat and eat and eat. And when I'd eaten every bit, I'd fall asleep and dream of it. That big potato, fat and round, deep down beneath the muddy ground. Oh, with my snout I'd dig and dig. If only I could be a pig. You know, after reading that poem, I think Richard just really wants to eat potatoes, and pigs like to eat potatoes, so Richard could relate to the pig because they both really like to eat potatoes. I think I would like to eat a potato too. That is all for this week's poem. Stay tuned next week for another poem. Maybe a poem about food. Food sounds good. I am very hungry. I wonder if we have any potatoes.